Hello everyone, welcome back to CALWAIN Health TV. We're so excited to have you join us today. Today we're making a refreshing and powerful citrus immunity booster juice. This juice is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants and essential nutrients that are perfect for giving your immune system a little extra support. Whether you're feeling under the weather or just want to stay healthy, this juice is a great addition to your daily routine. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CALWAIN Health TV for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Check the description box below for more information and product recommendations. We've included links to some of our favorite kitchen tools and ingredients to make this juice even easier to prepare. So let's get started and boost our immunity together. Here's what you'll need: 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon, a 1-inch piece of ginger and 1 tablespoon of honey. Start by thoroughly washing all your citrus fruits. We'll be using fresh oranges, grapefruit and lemon. These are all excellent sources of vitamin C, which is essential for boosting your immune system and improving your skin health. Now, set up your juicer. If you don't have a juicer, a blender will work just fine. Start by adding the ginger, followed by the citrus fruits. Let's juice these up. Look at that vibrant color. The rich hues of the juice indicate it's packed with vitamins and nutrients. Once everything is juiced, give it a good stir. This ensures all the flavors blend together perfectly, creating a harmonious taste. Now, for a touch of sweetness and additional health benefits, add a tablespoon of honey. This natural sweetener not only enhances the flavor but also provides a boost of energy. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties and can help soothe a sore throat. It's a wonderful addition to any drink, making it both delicious and nutritious. Pour the juice into a glass. This citrus immunity booster juice is not only refreshing but also incredibly nutritious. That's zesty and invigorating. This juice is loaded with vitamin C, perfect for strengthening your immune system and giving your skin a healthy glow. Remember, staying hydrated and nourishing your body with the right nutrients is key to maintaining good health. Water is essential for every cell in your body, and fresh fruits and vegetables provide the vitamins and minerals you need to thrive. Give this citrus immunity booster juice a try. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. And let me know how you feel after. Drop a comment below, sharing your experience and any variations you tried. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CALWAIN Health TV for more healthful recipes and tips. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos, and sharing helps us reach more people who can benefit from our content. Thank you for watching. Make sure to visit the description box for more details and product recommendations. We've included links to some of our favorite health products and a detailed recipe book to help you on your wellness journey. Stay healthy and see you next time. Take care and keep prioritizing your health and well-being.